Video exclusively obtained by this channel captures the night a drunk driver would make a series of terrible decisions. This is only the third time a Minnesota State Trooper body cam has been made public. October 8, 2022. A routine patrol would quickly escalate after spotting an erratic driver on the highway.
73 and 80. So it's past the truck. White light to the rear and weaving.
The driver of the car continued to weave between lanes while troopers observed. A stop was necessary. Troopers had no idea they were pulling over Robert Battle, who already had 3 felony DWI convictions before tonight. And Robert was about to make the situation much worse.
Heading southwest on Orange Street.
With alcohol clouding his judgment, the driver briefly pulled over in the middle of an intersection before fleeing.
SB-172.
Recognizing an excessive threat to the public, troopers quickly called off the chase when the drunk driver blew through a red light. But troopers were still able to follow the driver's trail of debris and chaos.
We might have a crash here.
The driver has already crashed once and lost his entire wheel. In a shocking display of desperation, he continued driving.
You went that way?
200, we're trying to get a resource to pursue.
It was only a matter of time before the drunk driver on 3 wheels crashed again.
Yep, crashed. We got him here. Looks like St. Paul's out with him on the ground. Right next to the Highway Credit Union.
The situation remained stressful as the intoxicated suspects struggled to follow instructions during their arrest.
Down on the ground!
Over your head!
Down on the ground! On the ground!
A disoriented woman in the back seat suffered a broken nose and likely a concussion. In later testimony, she had little to no recollection of the accident.
On the ground!
Unknown to officers at the time, the suspect would try a surprising defense strategy at trial.
You're trying to give me a DWI, though.
Well, right now you're under arrest for fleeing. Police in a motor vehicle.
So now you're trying to give me you trying to up the charges on me.
Up the charges, I don't know about that.
No, I know I've been drinking.
No, I know, I can smell it on you, man. You blowing this? There you go.
What is that?
Take a look.
Let me see. Oh, okay.
Robert's breath test showed a blood alcohol content of 0.202 at time of arrest. Over an hour later, blood analysis showed an even higher content of 0.232, almost 3 times the legal limit. In spite of this, Robert insisted multiple times throughout his interview with police that he wasn't drunk.
And I'm clearly not drunk, bro.
Okay.
I'm clearly not drunk. I'm far from drunk. I can do my ABCs, I can do the sobriety test right now, I can do all that shit. He ain't offering me on that. This might be drunk.
Okay.
But I can stand up right here and do the sobriety test right here and pass it. That's going on right now.
His stubborn denial continued after sobering up. A review of court records reveals Robert fired his court-appointed attorney, refused a plea bargain, and demanded a jury trial. He also filed a motion to dismiss his case, arguing that the Constitution is a treaty under religious common law, and that his rights to a speedy trial were violated even though he had not requested one. The trial was held only 3 months after his arrest, and lasted less than a day. The jury immediately returned convictions on all 4 counts. He was sentenced to 5.5 years in prison, and is scheduled for release in June 2026. The case serves as a reminder that sovereign citizen case law, like bird law, does not exist.